Where's your hair?
Hey.
Where's your nose?
Nose.
Where's your eyes?
Hi.
Where's your chan?
Down.
Where's your tete?
Okay.
Where's your feet? Hi ka, hi.
Hi!
Hi ka, bili.
Hello! Kumusta mo?
Hi, hi.
Nandara! Nandara!
Ayun, ate mo, te. Where's your hair? Hair. Where's your hair?
Bayutan!
Where's your hair?
Hey.
Hair. Where's your eyes? Eyes. Where's your eyes?
Hi.
Where's your nose?
Nose.
Where's your chan?
Down.
Chan. Where's your tete? Where's your feet? Saan ang feet? Hi ka, hi.
Hi.
Sabi mo, hi mama.
Nowadays, dapat practical na, lalo pa pag may 2 or more kids.
Dala.
Da da da.
Ble.
Da.
Ay.
Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Pee pee pee.
Sabi mo, hi mama.
Pee pee.
Say hi mama.
Pee. Hi.
Hi mama. Hi mama. Say hi mama. Say hi mama. Say hi mama.
Mama.
Hi papa. Ay. Ayoko na.